Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, October 11th. Futures back in negative territory, extending declines from the past two sessions early on this morning. We closed, for the NASDAQ anyways, we closed at a fresh two-year low on Monday. And we're lower again. Once again, here comes the board. That's what things look like right now. 0.6% for the S&P, 0.3% for the Dow, the NASDAQ 0.65% here in the pre-market. TSX back open again this morning after the Thanksgiving holiday on this side of the border yesterday. 1.3% for futures here in Toronto to the downside. 2% downside for crude oil so far. More negativity surrounding cryptocurrencies once again. Jamie Dimon, I should say, from JP Morgan, did make things a little bit worse late in the day yesterday, coming out saying that the U.S. economy will slide into a recession in the next 6 to 8 months. And then he went on to say that he could see a further 20% to the downside for the overall market. That's the way the S&P is shaping up this morning. This is the SPY, obviously, right back to this low once again, essentially around this 355, 360 area for the SPY. A few things we're watching, including Intel, Wells Fargo with a negative note on basically the entire sector. They point out Intel, NVIDIA, and AMD seeing further downside for these. What a chart here for INTC, closing at fresh lows yesterday. AMD not looking any better whatsoever on the daily time frame. Also fresh lows yesterday. Meta on watch this morning, downside along with Roblox. We'll get to that in a sec. But Credit Suisse cutting their price target on Meta, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So here we go with the never-ending price target cuts. Pinterest downside this morning as well. Roblox, you saw that note. Barclays initiating with underweight on Roblox. So Roblox down around the lows again this morning here in the pre-market as well. And it's the second Prime Day, or kind of Prime Day, the Prime Day-like event for Amazon kicking off today. Two-day event on Amazon started this morning, in fact. So some more deals for anyone looking available on Amazon over the next couple of days. We'll talk about that coming up. Yeah, crypto giant Coinbase getting Singapore approval and a license. This is kind of a cool story, this little JOBY aviation. Delta picking up a 2% equity stake in JOBY. It's higher this morning as well on that, saying they could take that up to a $200 million investment in JOBY. That's that vertical flying air taxi company that went public last year. Grab the watch list, guys. We'll be live coming up here at 8:30. Use the QR code on screen right now. We send it to you right to your inbox now every morning for free. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.